the young couple, preparing to sleep. Suddenly, they noticed something strange. In the stillness of the night, a loud knocking came from outside. The man, frustrated, paused what he was doing and went to the door to see who was disturbing them. When he opened it, he found a girl standing there, completely shrouded in darkness. She just stood there, staring at him.
Is Tamara here?
Daisy, from behind, quietly said she was going to sleep, and only then did the girl, in a daze, slowly walk away. But at that moment, the man felt deeply confused. They had come to this remote vacation spot. How could a strange little girl just appear out of nowhere? Before he could process this, he turned around and saw that the girl was standing at a distance, watching him. The man quickly turned on the light by the door. When he turned back, the girl was gone. He sighed in relief, thinking maybe he had just imagined it. He decided to settle on the sofa and watch some TV to calm down. However, just as he was about to relax, he suddenly had an asthma attack. Reaching for his bag, he realized the inhaler was in the car. Feeling helpless, he had no choice but to step outside.